Using a probe to monitor the internal temperature of your food is a great way to ensure flavorful results. Setting a probe temperature alert notifies you when your food reaches the target temperature. Once you've inserted the wired food probe into your food and placed it on the grill, you'll want to set a probe temperature alert. Plug the probe jack into one of the ports on the front of the grill, noting whether it's probe port 1 or probe port 2. You will see the food temperature displayed. Then press the menu on the controller and turn the knob to the right until you see the probe section for your probe port flashing and underlined. This probe is in probe port 1. Press the knob to set it. Turn the knob to the desired food target temperature and press it again to set it. You'll hear a sound that confirms your setting. Now you can relax or multitask until your food reaches the target temperature. For more information, visit Weber.com or contact Consumer Care.